Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics, and we are given a problem on the board to solve. This is quadratic equation, and we have to prove that to show that a x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 also equals x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, now it means we have to use this quadratic equation to prove that this quadratic equation is equal to this. Okay, and if this is your first time of you coming across this channel, please make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit from this. Okay, now let's look at the formulas we are given now. Now we say solution. Let's say solution. Since we are given a x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, now it means we have to use this equation to arrive at this point. Okay. Now the first thing, let's try to collect like some. We know this is constant. This is a variable and this is also a variable that is almost they are the same because they are having equations of x. Even though this is x squared, this is x, they are almost similar. So like this constant, this is also constant. Let this constant move to this other point. Okay. Now we say a x squared plus bx, everything becomes this is 0. When this one is moving, I will have minus c. Clear? Then this becomes a x squared plus bx is equal 0 minus c, giving you minus c. Okay. The next step, let's divide both sides by the coefficient of x squared. We divide both sides by the coefficient of x squared. That is a. We divide both sides by a. Now this a comes to this a. Then what remains? You are having an x squared plus bx upon a is equal minus c upon a. Okay. Now the next step that I have to take here is, if you want to arrive at this point, we say half of the midterm. We say half of the midterm. Half of the midterm. The midterm. Now what is the midterm here? This is the first term, the second term, and this is the third term. So like if you ask to find the half of the midterm, this is the midterm. Half means we say 1 upon 2 multiplying by, what is the midterm? It is b upon a. Then if you are multiplying this one, you are going to have 1 times b, you are going to have b upon 2a. Okay? This is the half of the midterm. Now this answer that we are coming to add it from this point. We add it from this and we add it also from this point. After which the square is because we are dealing with differences of completing square method. Then it continues from this point. Now since we have x squared plus bx upon a, everything becomes minus c upon a. Now since we have this answer, let's try to add it from this part of the equation and also from this part of the equation. Okay. Now we say x squared plus this answer that we have now, that is b upon 2a. After which we just need to square it because we are dealing with complete square method. Everything becomes minus c upon a plus this answer that we also have, that is b upon 2a. After which we square it. Then from this point we simplify. This becomes x. This is having square. This is also having square. Let's go put them and give them one square. That is to say x plus b upon 2a raised to the power 2 is equal. Then we should have do the same thing from this point, but this is not having square. That's why let's try to express this bracket. Then this one becomes minus c upon a plus b square, just like b square also divided by 2 raised to the power 2, it is 4, and a raised to the power 2 just like a square. Okay, we are moving. Then we say x plus b upon 2a raised to the power 2 is equal. Let's also find the LCM from this point. We say our LCM becomes 4a squared. In this 4a squared, in this a cancels 1a here, what will remain is 4a. So 4a times minus c giving you minus 4ac plus 4a squared into 4a squared is 1 time. 1 time b squared giving you b squared. Okay? It continues from this point. Now we have x plus b upon 2a raised to the power 2. Everything becomes. Now let's just arrange it properly. Then this one becomes b squared minus 4ac. Everything becomes 4a squared. Okay, now the next step, if this square is moving, just like if you're having x square is equal 4. If this x is moving, you're going to have this one becomes x now becomes plus or minus the square root of 4. So the same thing implies to this. That's how we are going to do it. Okay. Now we say x now plus b upon 2a is equal plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac. Everything becomes 4a square. Okay. The same thing, let's get to move this b upon 2a to this part of the equation. Then we say x now becomes minus b upon 2a plus or minus the square root of, we say this becomes b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Let's get to cancel. This 2a cancel, 2 into this giving you 2, a cancel a remains a. Okay, now we have in this one becomes x now becomes minus b, because it is minus b that remains, plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so this is what remains. After 2a cancel, we know this 2 goes into 4. What will remain is 2. A cancel a, this is a square, it will remain a. Then our answer then becomes x now is equal minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is what we are required to do. Now we have shown that this x square plus b square plus c is equal to this quadratic formula. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you share for others to benefit. Okay, love you more.